Warm, fluffy, fresh-baked bread. 100% keto and more delicious than any store-bought bread. 1. Crowd-pleasing keto finger foods. 1 popcorn shrimp. 2 chicken nuggets. 3 dry rub ribs. 4 most healthy breads taste absolutely awful. 5 curry garlic crispy chicken drumsticks. 6 mini burgers. 2 crunchy, salty, and savory keto snacks. 1 lemon fried avocados. 2 salted pretzel bites. 3 savory Italian crackers. 4 keto superfoods trail mix. 5 crunchy kale chips. 3 mouth-watering, sweet keto treats. 1 spiced chocolate-covered pecans. 2 chocolate coffee coconut truffles. 3 biscotti. 4 cucumber lime gummies. 5 chocolate chia pudding. 6 peppermint patties. 4 Asian-inspired keto favorites. 1 mushu pork. 2 chicken pad see ew. 3 Thai lemongrass shrimp soup. 4 zucchini egg. 5 Chinese meatball soup. 5 keto favorites. 1 Mexican tacos. 2 guacamole burgers. 3 spaghetti bolognese. 4 coconut chicken curry. 5 bacon wrapped chicken bites. I'm giving away free copies of my new keto cookbook. Enjoy this keto bread plus 100 plus other delicious keto recipes. Not just bread. How about delicious keto cookies and lasagna? Fresh baked keto bread that is more delicious than regular bread. Here's why my Essential Keto Cookbook is 100% free today. The silly reason I first started keto. Keto sounded weird to me, but I needed to try something. Eating delicious keto foods changed so much for me. I stopped craving sugar, but I sometimes missed my old foods. I created keto versions of all my favorite snacks, desserts, and comfort foods. Most keto recipes use a bunch of inflammatory ingredients. Salty, crunchy, 100% keto snacks that taste like the real thing. Ten keto breakfasts that will break you out of your bacon and eggs funk. 8 mouth-watering keto desserts that will delight any sweet tooth. Keto lunches and dinners that your family and friends will swear aren't keto. Over